everybody, my name is Bella, but some people call me Bella Dolls. Welcome back to the Bella Dollar Show. Today on one of my videos today, I'll be making slime with y'all. And yeah, it's my first ever video, so I'm just gonna be making slime with you guys. I make slime pretty good, and I'll show you step by step how I make the slime. I just made this slime. No, I'm not using a camera, I'm using my phone to record, so yeah. And that's how I do it. So this is the slime. Very, very, very clicky. Okay, we're just gonna move the camera to the table. I'm gonna get a map for the table. Okay, so I'm here.
You're not putting it on my table.
I have the mat.
Not final glue on my table.
Okay, so
Get a map order back.
I do have a mat. Okay, so let me get another mat for the rest of the stuff. Okay, so yeah, today we're gonna be making a good slime. Let me see some how I make the slimes. So I start off with a regular plastic cup in purple. So yeah, let's get some glue. Oh, let me get this one. So yeah, let me just show you the slime that we'll be trying to create and make. So this is a slime I recently made. I made just now. It'll be living in this thing. Okay, so now I got a lot of slime in my hands. Okay, so this is a cup. We're gonna be making slime with this cup. It looks like a bowl, but it's a cup. Okay, so have a spoon, and then this is all the clear glue that I have that I recently used. All this clear glue. Take this off the table. This is probably all out, but I'll just make the most. Oh, and go follow my Death Smash, my TikTok, and my Instagram. I'll be letting y'all know that at the end of the video. And comment down below what's your favorite slime that you like playing with and like making, because I'm really interested in seeing what you guys like making. And cloud slime, you might not be seeing it. You might see it sometimes on this channel, but sometimes you won't. So yeah. I'll take all the clear glue I had, but I have more, so yeah. Ow. more clear glue here. I know that's real fresh. So yeah, ow. So flip this over. Put some of that glue right here. We're trying to make some gluten-free slime. Is that such thing as gluten-free slime? I'm not even sure. We have to research it up later after we make the slime. So now we're gonna mix this glue up because I just in the mood to mix something up today. Kind of looks like it's forming into. Oh, it looks like syrup. You know when they have that syrup? If you know what I'm talking about. Oh, and comment down below if you guys watch Larry, because I'm in love with him. So yeah, just keep on mixing and mixing and mixing up some slime. I got it on my nose. Okay, I just wiped my nose, okay? So, I've been making some good slime. You just gotta mix it so you see autumn bubbles. Oh yeah, I got my hair braided. I hate putting leaves in my hair, but you know, a girl's gotta do what I just gotta do. So now we're gonna add a little bit of water, not a lot. So let me just stop. That's like a lot of water that we added in. I'm joking. That's not what they really said. That was like a real lot of water, a whole lot of water.
I told you 3 motherfucking times not to put that motherfucking slime.
Sorry, Mom.
It's your fucking world. I must live in it, right?
No.
Fuck, yo.
So, yeah, we're just gonna add a little bit of glue because it's too watery. It needs to get hard. Is there something wrong with that glue? Okay, that's like overflowed. All that is glue and water. Now we're just gonna add a little bit of this paint, glitter paint. It's a pretty paint. Where are you, paint? That's not water paint. Does that look like this now? That's all that paint that we got. All the paint that we could officially get because I couldn't get any more paint, so yeah, thanks. Let me just put all the stuff on this. Okay, so now we're just gonna mix the slime, the paint, in with the glue. So pretty. Oh, and my next video that I'll be posting, I'll be trying to make galaxy slime with these glitter glues. So now we're gonna add this pink glitter glue that I got from Michaels. 2 big punches. My friend always says that 2 big punches in the bag. I'd be like, what? But whatever. It's not irrelevant. That's irrelevant. Now let's just mix it because that's how I'm trying to make that slime. I'm kidding. That's not what I really said. I'm just following a meme, a line from TikTok. It was like, I'm kidding. That's not what they really said. What I realized about the glitter glue, if you guys didn't realize either, I realized it. I realized that, I'm not just realizing this, I've been realizing this, but I just want to tell the channel. I realized that the glitter glues are thicker than all the other glues. I'm not sure if that's a good thing, but it don't sound like no good thing. And like Elmer's regular clear glue and regular glue, isn't that regular white and clear glue? Or like you just need to push it, and it's not that pressure that you have to push. But for glitter glue, it's a lot of work. Oh, so let me see. Look at this. Oh, that's pretty. I think it looks clear to y'all on this, but it is actually real pink. So yeah. And it's a big slime. I need to get a bigger container. Never mind. No more water. Now let's get into some borax. Let me just mix this a little bit more. Yeah, I have borax. This is... I'll tell you the ingredients that I use in a minute after I'm done making this whole